today I'm gonna do my makeup in 20 minutes again. No particular reason, I'm just being lazy today, so. This is my face. I have a pimple there. I have a cut right here. I have these. And then I think I have a few more cuts over here. I derma cleaned my face yesterday and I knew the razor was sharp. And yeah, ready. Hey, welcome to my channel, Beauty by Bordeaux, or welcome if you're new. I am currently sick, that's why it sounds like that. So, today I am doing my makeup. My room is a mess, so you're gonna see how dirty my floor is. It is what it is. Don't act like your makeup room don't be dirty either. Don't act like you don't be cleaning up sometimes. It is what it is. We all have those days where life just gets hectic. So, the key to doing a 20-minute makeup challenge is making sure you have everything you need. So that's why I'm pulling out everything that I want to use in advance, so then I can just go through and get my makeup done. So starting 20 minutes. Alrighty. So I will let you know that I did not complete my makeup in 20 minutes because I was on the phone. So I guess I will tell you guys what's been happening in my life for the past 2-3 months. So life has been lifing really hard. This video I believe was done in early October, and it's been a really tough couple of weeks. I broke up with a really good close friend of mine. It wasn't working out. How can I explain it? I just felt like there was too much negative energy. I'm the type of person, I'm the type of friend who always want to be there for my friends, and sometimes I absorb my friends' feelings, and that was something I definitely didn't need to do. So at the end of October, I basically it's been rough. It was really rough. Just life had been lifing, work was work, and things were just really hard for me. I had no motivation to be on YouTube. I had no motivation to edit my videos. Life has just been life. And even still, it's January 2024. So this video is probably about 2 months old, a little over 2 months old. And life is still lifing. I've been having a lot of issues at work and things of that nature. But one of the things that I'm trying to do in 2024 is to remain positive through everything. Because while I felt like sometimes I would be so negative in life and, oh my gosh, why is this happening to me? Why does the world hate me? What did I do? And I have to realize that, sometimes you can't take things personal. My mama always told me people come into your life for a season or two, and then that's that. And, I had to do a lot of soul searching and realize what was best for me. And sometimes, what's best for me is just taking a break. And that's what I did. I took a break, not from life, because I still had to go to work, but life was lifing really hard at this point. It wasn't this early, but there was a few weeks after, around Halloween, I had cried so much because my friend was going through my best friend, my oldest friend. I met her first day of high school. I met her. She went through some really tough stuff, and the things that she had went through, nobody should go through. And I love her so dearly, and I just wanted to be there for her in any capacity that I could. Whatever I could do, I wanted to be there for her, because it's my best friend. This my sister. I love her to pieces. She gonna be my child's godmother, auntie. So it's life was just really hard. I think you guys could tell. Life was just lifing really hard. I am on the phone in this video. I'm talking to the ex-best friend. Like my mommy said, people come into your life for a season or two, and I think the most important thing is I would say the most important part of life is whenever somebody comes into your life and leave, there's a lesson to be learned, and you have to learn that lesson. I remember I had a friend who ghosted me, and it took me a long time to realize why this person ghosted me. And it was a lot of self-searching, a lot of self-discovery, a lot of crying. I'm a crier. That's how I let my emotions out. When I was younger, I never used to cry, but now I will cry just for the littlest thing. I'm frustrated, let me cry. So I would say the most important thing in life is just everybody comes into your life for a reason, and people leave. And when they leave, you just have to make sure you don't make the same mistakes. It's like with a boyfriend or a girlfriend, a partner, whatever. Like, sometimes those things don't work out, but instead of making the same mistake over and over, you have to know when to stop. Like, you have to know when you may be the problem, because I think a lot of people, they don't want to admit that sometimes they're the problem. And I'll be honest, sometimes I am the problem, and I admit that. And yeah, in a way, I'm just kind of rambling now, but yeah, when I said life was hard, life was really, really hard. It doesn't look like it at this point, but the past 2-3 months have been oof. And I think in your life, you will always have challenges. Like, challenges will always come up, and it's important not to give up in the face of those challenges. Sometimes you need to cry. Sometimes you got to pray to the Lord if you believe in God. That's what I would do. I would pray to the Lord, and I'd be like, God, give me strength. Call my mama, speak to my friends, and just be with my husband. And I would say my husband, me and him have been together for 7 years, married for 3, and he has been my biggest supporter. He's been just everything that I needed, and I'm so thankful and grateful that I have him, because he truly, he'll put me in my place, but he'll do it from a place of love, because he will dead ass tell me, Leanna, you're wrong. Like, damn, Josh. But at the end of the day, if your partner can't tell you, if your partner or your friend can't tell you when you're wrong, then is it really worth being in that relationship, in that friendship? And yeah, I'm just still rambling, but otherwise, I don't know if I'm gonna be posting regularly. I have so many videos. I probably have close to like over 100 videos that I need to edit, because I've been taking videos of myself doing makeup for like 2-3 years, and some of them I just never posted because I didn't like the angle. But I figured that when I came back to YouTube, I will definitely like give you a life update of what's happening, and that's really what's been happening in my life. Like I said, I do not know if I will be posting regularly. I do have a few videos that I've edited, and they've been, yeah, so like I said, I have a few videos that I have edited, and they've been edited. I just haven't done those final things, so I might be working on those. I am sick. I have a terrible cough. It hurts to cough. My nose is a bit running. Listen, with everything that's been floating around, you got the common cold, you got the flu, you got COVID, and now you got RSV. Like, goddamn, you just got everything in the world up here, floating around in the world. So I don't know what I got. My husband is now sick, so we're both sick. I'm over here watching the Colts and the Texans game because, yeah, I'm a football person. But yeah, I would say always, every experience in life comes with a lesson, and it takes a lot of interest. It takes a lot of thinking and a lot of, I don't know if introspective is the right word, but introspective, to know how you've done wrong and how maybe you have been done wrong. So just remember, everything in life has a lesson. Everything in life has a lesson. That job you hate, there's a lesson to be learned. That boyfriend or girlfriend you broke up with, there's a lesson to be learned. That friend who you no longer talk to, there's a lesson to be learned. Every person comes into your life for a reason. And every experience that you have in your life comes to you for a reason. And I've had some really tough times in the past few years. And for me, it's about growing and seeing, how can I be a better person to the people that I love, and in general? Like, how can I be a better person? I try to make sure I keep a smile on my face. I try to be thankful and gracious for everything that I have, because while I may not have a lot, I have a lot. I have the love of family. I have the love of friends. I have the love of my life, Joshi. And life will always be tough. You'll always have challenges in life, but it's remembering to smile, to know that it is temporary. It is temporary. It will pass. It will pass. You may have to, it will pass. Sometimes it'll take a few months to pass. Sometimes it'll take a few days to pass. But everything in life will pass. Every experience, situation you've gone through, there's a reason why. So yeah, basically this is the end of the look. I'm pretty sure I spent about 25-30 minutes on this look because I was talking. I do believe I do have a completed 20-minute makeup challenge because I really like doing that now. I don't do my makeup as like this anymore. I do it like very simple, very boom, 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 quick, because sometimes I just don't be having the time for it. But yeah, that's what's been happening in my life. Life has been lifing. I'm turning 31 in a few days. Today is, I believe, the 6th. My birthday's the 20th, so thanks for watching. Bye!